Hey guys, this is Jeet, your friend in internet marketing, and today I want to show you TubeTraffic, a very powerful software that helps you get more traffic to your YouTube channel on 100% autopilot. So how does it do that? Through comments. What it uses is a classic and powerful strategy that new YouTube channels have always used with a lot of success, leaving qualified comments on other channels in your niche. Only TubeTraffic helps you automate everything. Let's check out how it works. Alright, so TubeTraffic is actually divided into two major sections. The harvest sections, two harvest sections, harvest users and harvest videos. And these two sections will help you get relevant channels from YouTube and also relevant videos on YouTube where you can leave comments, because it's very important to find targeted channels, targeted videos which will actually help you get targeted viewers. In TubeTraffic, what we've done is we've tried to find you ways to get as many targeted viewers as possible, as much targeted traffic as possible. So we do a lot of work on getting the right kind of users, that is channels and videos, so that you can then leave comments using the channel interaction system and video interaction system and get the traffic from YouTube. So let's get started with each section. Let me explain what each section does and how you're going to use it. So the first section is harvest users, and you can get the users in a variety of different ways. If you want, you can just add a user using the URL, that is add a channel using a URL. Just add the channel URL and you'll be able to harvest the videos from that channel. Or you can find channels through keywords. So if you are targeting, let's say, a particular niche, let's say carpenters, or if you're targeting, let's say, doctors or dentists or whatever niche you're targeting, type in a few keywords from that niche and you'll be able to harvest or find channels from that niche all on auto. Next, you have YouTube pages. So YouTube has a specific page which has the channels that you need. Maybe you have searched for something, maybe you've come across a YouTube playlist or whatever, or your YouTube channel, even whatever. You can harvest all the channels from that page. Just paste in the YouTube URL over here and it will find all the channels on that page and add it to TubeTraffic. Then you've got the tops. So YouTube has some top lists, like all the top ranking channels that have come up in the top lists. You can use the top lists too, but that traffic is a bit more wide. So if you want to use this, then you're gonna try to get traffic which is of a wider nature, not really so targeted. And finally, you can see a list of all the users, all the channels that you've harvested over here. Right, and of course when you go into a subsection, the main menu becomes available over here on the side. Next, we have harvest videos, because all the options, all the sections can be reached from the menu on the top two. And in harvest videos, again, you can add a video URL. You can find videos for a particular channel, so just enter the channel URL and you'll be able to find all the videos on that channel. You can find videos through keywords, so enter a couple of keywords or enter a keyword for any particular particular niche that you're in, and you'll be able to find videos for that niche. So for example, I'm going to find a video, let's say dentists. I'm going to find, let's try and find, let's say 100 results, 100 videos, and you can create groups of, which will hold the videos that you collect, so that you can work on multiple niches at the same time. So if you're working for a dentist niche or you're working for a chiropractor, you can add different groups, and each group can hold the videos that are going to be collected for each particular niche. So once you're done, just click on submit and you will see a list, a button over here which says pending tasks. So you got two pending tasks. I've added another search too, and whenever you're ready to work on YouTube, just click on the play button and it's working in the background, so you can still continue working while TubeTraffic gets the data from YouTube and populates your lists. So then we've got harvest YouTube pages. So you can actually pick up any YouTube URL and harvest all the YouTube videos from that URL. And again, from top lists. So if you want to harvest videos for a more wider, more generic nature, you can harvest the top lists too. And finally, all the videos that you succeed in harvesting will be listed inside the harvested video. So for the group dentist, we've got 191 videos, and if you click, you can see all the list of all the videos that you have, which are collected for the niche that you targeted. All right, so the next thing is harvest interaction. So this is where we actually interact with or actually engage people through these functions. So the first function is subscribe. So this is how it works. Now you've got a list of all the people who are, let's say, talking about dentists, all the channels that are talking about dentists. So you can subscribe to all of them. You can build a community, and if you got a dentist channel too, you can bet that your channel is going to grow up too, because they're going to subscribe to you too. So that's how it works. You can engage with, and you can even share videos on your Google Plus account. So just put in the video URL, and whatever video you share will be shared to your Google Plus account. That way you can engage the people who are talking about your niche on YouTube, and you can reach out to them and they will come to know of you. You can build a relationship with them, and that will help you progress faster, because when you have a relationship with existing channel, existing users, you'll be able to leverage them and get ahead faster in your own quest for YouTube success, for YouTube traffic. And then there is video interactions. Click on video interactions, and you will be able to, number one, harvest people who have commented on the channels, on the videos that you have collected for any niche, and you can then reach out to those people. You can add them to your list, and you can subscribe to them. You can share their videos. You can reach out to them. That is gonna help you leverage the right crowds, and of course, you can get the leads too, and those leads you can reach out to, and maybe some of them will become your customers very fast. Then we've got get related videos, and with this function you can put in any video URL, and it's going to get the related videos for that URL and add them to your group, and that way you'll be able to discover and reach out to more people, more videos, even more traffic. Finally, the most important bit, post comments. Click on this, and then you can select the video group that you want to comment on, the comment group, because what you can do is you can create a comment group, and each comment group can hold multiple comments. So if you want, you can add 30, 40, 50, even 100 comments, and every time TubeTraffic will randomize and pick up one of the comments on random and leave the comment on the YouTube channel or the YouTube video. So what happens is you get a very varied kind of a presence across all the different videos that you are working with, across all the different videos that you have collected, and your comments are gonna help you get ranked better, because your comments will be seen by YouTube, and of course if you get visible, you are gonna get ranked better. Secondly, it's gonna engage the people, it's gonna engage the channel owner as well as the people who see these comments. All the viewers who come to that video and see the comments, they will be engaged too, and they will have an incentive to come to your channel if you word if your comment includes a call to action, if you word the comment properly. You can select the YouTube account that you want to comment with. You can actually use multiple accounts. If you click on manage, you will get a facility to add all the accounts that you want to add. So you can collect and work with multiple accounts. So maybe you can set up different accounts just for commenting, which will lead on to your channel, or if you want, you can use the main account, whatever you want. And this will let you decide how many comments you want to leave. So if you want to leave 25 comments, let's say in this batch, you can do so. If you want to leave 500 comments, you can do that too. So this is the way you actually leave the comment 100% automatically. And TubeTraffic is a very intelligent software. It lets you calibrate a lot of things. So you can actually select how many requests you want to send every how many requests you want to send every minute, or how much gap you want between two subsequent requests, and TubeTraffic will randomize these request time. So it's not gonna send, let's say, a request every 10 seconds. Instead, it will randomize the time gap in the interval that you select, and that will help you create a more organic sort of a pattern, which will conform to the YouTube terms of service too, and that will help you get ranked and use this strategy at a longer term. So this is TubeTraffic. It's got everything you need to create a compelling comment strategy, all on 100% auto. All you need to do is add the comments that you want to add by clicking the comment group and creating a new comment group. Let's call it, for example, dentist, and click on add group, and then you can just add all the comments you want by clicking add new comment. All the comments will be in the database and they will be posted as per your schedule, as per your choice. So this is what TubeTraffic does. It's simple to use and it's effective. It works in the background. It's got multi-threading, so it can actually work with multiple channels, multiple comments, and it can totally set you free so that you won't have to comment manually. You won't have to hire a VA if you don't want to, if you don't want to pay for one. And instead, this software will automatically find and engage people who will be interested in exactly what you're promoting, what you're selling, and they will help you build up your channel, get more viewers, get more subscribers, and get more engagement on YouTube.